Okay, we're doing B4, lengths of segments on number lines. And I just thought I recorded this and I didn't, so I'm not going to waste any paper and putting a new piece of paper in front of me. So I'm going to be rewriting over this. And it says, what is the length of UV? It's asking how many spaces between U and V. So how many spaces are between 4 and 5? Well, there's 1 space. So the answer would automatically be 1. But if we wanted to do it mathematically, we would take your bigger number minus your smaller number and subtract. So 5 minus 4 would be 1. So your answer would be 1. Okay, I am going to erase this because that's not going to make much sense. Okay, so on this one, we're going to take biggest number minus smaller number. How many spaces is it from negative 76 to negative 75? Take your bigger number, negative 75, and subtract, always subtract when you're finding length or distance, and then a negative 76. Well, I just put a minus and a minus, or a negative and a negative right next to each other. What happens? They turn into be positive. So this is really saying 76 minus 75, which would be 1. Okay, what's the length of ST from 0 to 60? Okay, 60, because you're going from 0 to 60. Or smaller, I'm sorry, bigger number, subtract smaller number. 60 minus 0 is 60. And what is the length of WX from W to X? From negative 2 to positive 2. A lot of people would think it might be 0 because you see an opposite numbers and you think that they cancel each other out. But it's actually wanting length, it's wanting distance. So from negative 2 to positive 2, we take your bigger number, always subtract your smaller number. If you subtract a negative, it turns into be positive, and 2 plus 2 is 4. And that is all of B.4, lengths of segments on number lines. Have fun.